Now let's start with the next variation of the Sun Salutation. From the standing position, slowly spread your legs a little apart. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. Focus on your normal breathing. Now slowly bring your arms down and move down and adopt imaginary chair position. Joining your hands in Namaskar Mudra and bend your neck backward. Normal breathing. Now slowly come up and come down to the forward bending position. Your chin to the chest. Now slowly walk back and adapt the plank position. Maintain the plank position. From here, let's go to Warrior Pose 1. Bring your left leg in front. Stretch your hands by the side, one by one. Maintain the posture. Now slowly turn to the side and adapt Warrior Pose 2. Now slowly come to down dog position. Bringing your hands in front, taking your legs back, pressing your heels on the ground. Now take your right leg in front and let's do the warrior pose from the other side. Stretch your hands one by one. Now let's move on to the warrior pose 2. Stretch your neck back. Now slowly come back to down dog position, bending forward, taking your legs back, pressing your heels on the ground. Now slowly walk in front to the forward bending position. Slowly come to imaginary chair position. Stretch your neck back. Slowly straighten your legs, adapt Namaskar Mudra and relax in standing position. Close your eyes and feel the changes in your body. Relax.